Lionsgate. Coming soon to DVD and Blu-ray.
Only on DVD. Bob the Builder on-site skyscraper.
We're going to see a skyscraper being built.
Put on your hard hat, strap on your tool belt, and join Bob the Builder as his world meets the real world on-site.
Let's go on-site.
Bob and his can-do crew take you on a fun-filled adventure to a real construction site. Learn how diggers dig the foundations, just like Scoop. See how cement mixers mix up cement, just like Dizzy and Tumbler. See how tall cranes carry loads high in the sky, just like Lofty. And now, only on DVD, Bob the Builder on-site skyscraper.
Let's find out how a skyscraper is built.
From laying the foundation to the construction of each floor to elevators, you're on site with Bob the Builder.
Can we build it?
Yes, we can!
Yeah, I think so.
Bob the Builder on site skyscraper, now on DVD. Also available on site houses and playgrounds and on site roads and bridges.
For over 20 years, he's been every child's best friend.
I do have a lot of friends from all over the world.
And now you can join the Dino-rific celebration in an all-new DVD special for Barney's 20th anniversary. With the best of Barney DVD. Barney's opening his magical memory box in this special collection,
We are celebrating some happy memories.
which features his most memorable moments of all time.
There's a lot to see.
With 20 of your favorite Barney songs, this DVD is full of special features for fans of all ages, including 7 Barney sing-alongs, an exclusive featurette, games, and much more. So join Baby Bob, BJ, Riff, and the lovable, huggable purple guy himself, Barney, for a T-rific extravaganza.
I believe there's always room for one more happy memory.
As they celebrate 20 magical years of sharing, caring, and imagination in this exclusive DVD special, The Best of Barney, only on DVD.
For your convenience, this DVD has been enhanced with Hit Entertainment's autoplay. Your program and a selection of bonus features will begin automatically.
Thomas and Friends, making tracks to great destinations.
There's a Christmas house and a windmill, a tractor, and a train.
The island of Sodor is surrounded by beautiful blue sea. It has fields of green and sandy yellow beaches. There are rivers, streams, and lots of trees where the birds sing. There are windmills and a coal mine, and docks where visitors to the island arrive. The island also has lots and lots of railway lines. Who's that puffing down the track? It's Thomas! Hello, Thomas! Hello, everybody. Welcome to the island of Sodor.
Best friends.
Every day I wake up and I think of you, my friend. How are you, my friend? Where are you, my friend? You know all my secrets and I also know yours. We share all our dreams. We know all our tears.